Before you start, make sure to disconnect power to the AC unit to reduce the risk of serious electric shock. The first step in accessing the condenser fan motor is to remove the 9 screws located around the perimeter of the top shroud. This will allow you to carefully lift off the shroud and expose the internal components. On the left side of the unit, you will see a small rectangular electrical box with a wiring diagram on it. Remove the access door from the electrical box located on the left side of the unit. This door is secured by 2 screws and features a wiring diagram sticker on it. Cut and remove all the cable ties. To discharge any remaining energy in the capacitor, use the metal blade of an insulated screwdriver to create a short between the ground terminal and each of the other 3 terminals on the capacitor. Using a long Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 Phillips head screws that secure the capacitor hold-down strap. A magnetized screwdriver is recommended to make this step easier. Once the screws are removed, the capacitor can be lifted out. Take note, or better yet, take a photograph showing the wire positions for accurate reassembly. Inside the electrical box, locate the wire harness from the condenser fan motor. This harness contains 4 wires. The brown and black wires are connected to spade terminals on top of the capacitor. Carefully remove these 2 wires by pulling straight up on the spade connectors using insulated pliers. Next, we turn our attention to the blue wire, which is connected to a terminal block on the back of the electrical box. Remove it using insulated pliers. Lastly, the green and yellow wire is the ground wire and is secured to a ground lug inside of the box with 1 Phillips screw. Remove this screw, noting any additional wires that are attached to that same lug so they can be reinstalled correctly. With the wiring disconnected and all the cable ties removed, carefully pull the wiring harness back out of the electrical box. Remove the 4 10mm nuts and the washers securing the condenser fan assembly to the mounting studs. The fan assembly can now be lifted out of the unit. Reinstallation is the reverse of removal. Begin by placing the new fan assembly onto the 4 mounting studs, ensuring proper orientation with the wiring harness directed towards the front of the unit. Install the washers and secure the fan with the 4 10mm nuts you previously removed. Route the wiring harness exactly as it was originally, feeding it into the electrical box. Reconnect the 4 wires as follows. Reattach the green and yellow ground wire into the electrical box and secure it to the ground block using the previously removed Phillips screw. Connect the blue wire to its original position on the terminal block. Reattach the black and brown wires to their original spade terminals on the top of the capacitor. Now let's reinstall the capacitor into the control box, securing it with the hold-down strap and the 2 Phillips screws previously removed. Replace all the cable ties to secure the wiring harnesses in its original routing position. Reinstall the electrical box access panel using 2 previously removed screws. To complete the reassembly, reinstall the shroud on top of the AC unit using the 9 screws removed earlier. Ensure that all the screws are properly seated by gently lifting up on the shroud. There should be no movement if everything is installed correctly.